Today I'm just going to make something quick, something really quick. It's just, we're going to cut half of this. Like so. And we're going to scoop up all that seeds out. Just cut these stuff here. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I am on a diet, so whatever I cook and upload is mostly for my family. Mostly I eat vegetables. I try to share whatever I can. Alright, so just use a spoon. Have a bowl if you must. Okay, this is what I do, a quickie. Like this half is enough for me. This is a squash. I don't know if you've seen it. They grow really long. Usually I do it with zucchini, but since I have this right now, I'm going to use it because I have zucchini, but they're huge, and I do that as lasagna instead. Now what I'm going to do is add, I know you're saying probably cheese is not vegan and cheese is not vegetarian, but I do consume cheese and I do eat eggs. I try to stay away from the meat as much as I can. Now you can shred it. I only buy the blocks because I don't like to buy the shredded ones since it has higher carbs. You can shred it. I'm just too lazy to shred it. So this is what I do, a quickie, and then I stick this in the oven for 15 minutes and then I eat it. Simple as that. This is a lazy. Or you can just stir fry onions, garlic, and some peppers, and do the filling in the middle. I do the filling and then put cheese on top. It's so delicious. Okay, so I'm just doing this as a lazy quickie one. I like to put extra cheese, guys. Now on this diet it's only 4 ounces, but since I'm sharing with my kid, you can add, you got some pepper here. I like to add some pepper. I'm going to add, sprinkle a bit of salt, huh? I'll grab some Himalayan salt. Salt. There we go. And in the oven it will go for 15 minutes or until it's nice and golden on the top. This is squash, so it doesn't take that long, right? You can peel it if you like, but I prefer to eat it because it's easier for me to scrape and eat it and just throw away the skin after. Alright, so it's going in the oven. Alright my friends, so there's the results and it's all nice and yummy. You can leave it longer if you wish. But I like it not too hard, too overcooked. So that's how it is. It's so tasty and this is for me to eat. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Share the video. And hope to see you again on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.